Good morning, everybody. Got a little free tip for you, I guess. If you got a slight misfire problem and it's not that bad, and you're gonna guess on any part for you DIYers, guess spark plugs. As you can see here, the one on the left was not misfiring, and you can see the gap difference is quite a lot compared to that guy. And then I will give you the difference between which one is it? This one. So here, you didn't see which one was which. The one on the right was misfiring. The one on the left was not. Can you believe that? The only difference is the one on the right has a little bit more wear on the ground electrode. The gap's actually smaller on the right. So guess spark plugs if you're going to guess anything.